Welcome back! We will now continue our day tour here in Kyoto. So we're just outside Kinkakuji Temple, one of the bus stations here, and we're planning to go to KIYOMIZU-DERA area. We didn't get any Kyoto bus passes, so we used the prepaid Ecoha card when we go on and off to and from my bus. So again, when you tour around Kyoto or even in Osaka, you have to be prepared because you will do a lot of walking. So like here, from the bus station or even from the train station, you have to walk going to KIYOMIZU-DERA. As you go off from the bus station or from the train station, there are nearby boutiques where you can, or shops where you can rent a kimono for you to really establish a vibe, a local vibe while touring here in KIYOMIZU-DERA area. At this point, it's summer. Currently, it's summer in Japan. We're now halfway to the KIYOMIZU-DERA area, and at this point, there are a lot of shops already, and the structures are quite historic or somehow traditional. Oh, for those who love Ghibli movies or Ghibli films, Japan has a shop, or Ghibli studio has a shop here in Kyoto. This is in KIYOMIZU-DERA area. From Ghibli items, souvenirs, arts and crafts, you know it, Spirited Away, House Moving Castle, these are the two of those films created by Ghibli Studio. So if you're a fan, you may want to get some items related to Ghibli films. Yeah, look for this in Kyoto. But I believe there is a bigger one in Tokyo. We now get in a shop, a matcha shop here in Kyoto. You know, Kyoto is very well known for matcha because one of the known area or city or town producing matcha is the Uji, which is here in Kyoto. We tried this ice cream, matcha ice cream. Yeah, and it's really good. So I bought some as well for the matcha tea and also the green tea that they are selling here. After quite a long walk, we now reach this area in KIYOMIZU-DERA Shrine. Look at that view. Overlooking the city, lots of tourists, and a clear sky. There's a ticket booth here for you to get one when you plan to go inside the actual shrine or the temple. There's a lot of wind chimes here. So there's a walkway going down there, actually coming from that temple, going to the other side, and going down to the wells. That's the well area. Look at that view. The view of the Kyoto, the city of Kyoto. That is where we came from the above temple. And right now, we're walking towards the well area. If you want to have wishes, you can go at this place. As you would notice, there's queue of people lining up because why not? These streams are believed to have its benefit. KIYOMIZU-DERA is another term for pure water temple. That's why they have their water streams here. 3 water streams. So these are for long life and health. Second, success in school and career. And the third one is fruitful love life. So we're now going down again. We're done with KIYOMIZU-DERA Temple and Shrine. So at the first intersection, we managed to get a cab, a taxi. But I think this is a bad decision because there's a heavy traffic. So our last stop for the day is going to be the FUSHIMI INARI. Our first stop was in Arashiyama, that's in the morning, and right now we're heading to FUSHIMI INARI. So our destination is in FUSHIMI INARI, and that's about 5 kilometers from KIYOMIZU-DERA. Actually, our taxi fare, reached a little over 3,000 yen. And we're here in FUSHIMI INARI. FUSHIMI INARI is just in front of JR station. So if you plan to get here in FUSHIMI INARI in Kyoto first thing in the morning or your first stop on your itinerary, I suggest that you get the JR Pass or Keihan Pass because there's a nearby Keihan train station here. So these are miniature torii gates That's what you call those orange structure, the torii gates. Yeah, you can have it by 1,000 yen. And you can input as well some wishes. So there's a list of wishes here that you could copy in Japanese characters. You could have your torii gates as your remembrance, bring it with you, or hang it there. And that's it. We're done with the 10,000 torii gates, and it's getting dark already. So we're just taking a quick rest here before we go. So it's just about 200 meters walk from the entrance of the FUSHIMI INARI. And we're here at the Keihan Line Fushimi Station. We don't have a Keihan Line passes, so we will be using again the Aikoka card. We will be getting off from the train at Gionshijo Station for us to get to the last station here in Kyoto in Hankyu Line, because our pass for Kyoto tour is Hankyu Tourist Pass. So yeah, we're on the right track. We have to exit here at the exit number 3. Okay, let's see. And we will be transferring to the Hankyu Line just across the street. And it's dark already. So before we go down to the platform of the train station of the Hankyu Line, we had a stopover here because my friends are having their smoke. This is a smoking area just beside the stream. Look at the stream, very clean, and it's true for Japan. Their streams or their canals are all clean. Again, for those who are doing the DIY travel or tour, you have to prepare your feet, your energy and stamina, because you will do a lot of walking, really, especially if you have limited time exploring Osaka, Kyoto, Nara, and Kobe. There's a vending machine for your refreshments. There's a locker area. So that's it. That wraps up our Kyoto tour for the day. Okay, we started from Arashiyama, going to Kinkakuji Temple, going to KIYOMIZU-DERA and FUSHIMI INARI. So we used the Hankyu Tourist Pass and ICOCA or the ICOHA card. So that's a combination of Hankyu Tourist Pass and ICOHA card. So if this is helpful to you, please consider liking this video and subscribe for more. Thank you.